Imagine opening Snapchat and suddenly your location says you're in Tokyo, Paris or New York while you're actually still at home. Yeah, you can do that. And no, you don't need jailbreak or root for your device. Well, if you've been searching for how to change location on Snapchat, how to change location on Snapchat iPhone or how to change location on Snapchat Android, this video will show you a few simple ways to do it in 2026. Let's start with the easiest trick first. Now, technically, the easiest way to stop Snapchat from showing your real location is simply freezing it. Here is how to do that. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, then tap the map icon. From there, open settings and enable ghost mode. This prevents Snapchat from constantly updating your location for other people. Another simple trick is manually faking the vibe of your location. For example, adding a custom location sticker, using a pin emoji, or typing a fake city name in your Snap text. Obviously, this doesn't actually change your GPS location, but for casual use, some people do this. But what if you want to actually change your Snapchat location? This is where tools like Phone Allura Location Changer come in. Instead of just hiding your location, it lets you control your phone's GPS position directly. And honestly, the setup is much easier than most people expect. For this example, I'm using Phone Allura Location Changer right on my computer. It works with both iPhone and Android, including newer versions like iOS 26 and Android 16. The interface is really clean, basically just a live map with a few controls. Here is how it works. First, download and open Phone Allura Location Changer on your computer, then connect your phone to it. You can use USB, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth depending on your setup. Now you'll see the main map interface. From here, choose Modify Location or Teleport mode. Then simply search for any place you wish. For example, Paris, Tokyo, New York or other city of interest. Click Move and your GPS location updates instantly across your device, including Snapchat. So if you open Snap Map after, your location will appear in the new area, and the whole process usually takes just a couple of minutes. But there is more than just instant teleporting. Phone Allura also includes Joystick mode, multi-spot mode, and movement simulation features. So instead of instantly jumping between locations, you can simulate walking or movement naturally. For instance, you can create a route, control movement speed, and move around in real time, which looks much more realistic. Now, some people searching things like how to change Snap location with VPN, but there is a big difference. A VPN changes your internet connection location. It doesn't directly change your phone's GPS location. Snapchat mainly uses GPS data, so a VPN alone usually isn't enough. That's why GPS-based tools work differently. If you're wondering whether this works better on Android or iPhone, Android usually gives a little more flexibility, but tools like Phone Allura are designed specifically to work on both systems, which makes the setup pretty straightforward either way. Well, yeah, if you want more control over your Snapchat location, now you know a few different ways to do it. You can freeze your location, fake it visually, or fully change your GPS position using a tool like Phone Allura Location Changer. I will leave the link for you in the description below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any useful tips and tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the upcoming episode. Peace.